In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete video clips in DaVinci Resolve. If you're new to editing, this is one of those simple but essential actions that can save you a lot of time while cleaning up your timeline. Deleting clips is useful when you've added the wrong shot, want to remove extra footage, or just need to make your edit more precise and organized. The good news is that in DaVinci Resolve, the process is very straightforward. To begin, go to your timeline. This is the area where your video clips are arranged in the order they appear in your project. If you already have footage placed there, you'll be able to see each clip lined up on the video track. Take a moment to identify the specific clip you want to remove so you don't accidentally delete the wrong one. Once you've found the clip you want to delete, click on it to select it. You'll usually notice a visual highlight around the clip, which confirms that it's currently selected. This step is important because DaVinci Resolve needs to know exactly which clip you want to work with before you make any changes. After the clip is selected, right-click on it. This will open a context menu with several editing options. In that menu, look for the option that says Delete Selected. Click on that option and DaVinci Resolve will remove the clip from your timeline. And that's it. The clip is now deleted. As a quick tip, always double-check that you've selected the correct clip before deleting, especially if you're working with multiple layers or clips that are close together on the timeline. It's a small habit that can help prevent mistakes and keep your editing process smooth. Another helpful thing to remember is that this action removes the clip from the timeline, not necessarily from your entire media library. So if you delete something by mistake, the original media may still be available in your project for you to use again later. This is a very basic edit, but it's one you'll use all the time as you build and refine your videos in DaVinci Resolve. Once you get comfortable with selecting, right-clicking and choosing Delete Selected, managing your timeline becomes much easier and faster. That's how to delete video clips in DaVinci Resolve.